We passed each other in the rain. You looked down, I looked away. Water on your lashes like you just walked out of yesterday. You slowed down, but you didn't stay. Your jacket dark, your hair half gray. All the little futures we never got washed down the gutter on their way. Through the falling light, I swear I knew you, like a dream that almost got said out loud. Through the falling light, I almost moved to call your name and turn you back around. Call your name, turn you back around. You held your phone up to your mouth, said I'm close, then blurred into the crowd. I heard my own voice answer you, years too late, too soft, too proud. Did you feel that flicker too? A second slow, a slip in time, or was that just some stranger shape you crossed and left behind? Through the falling light, I swear I knew you, like a note that never found a sound. Through the falling light, I almost moved to pull that maybe down to solid ground. Through the light, you knew me too. If I had waved, if you had turned, would it have changed what we both learned? Some things fade, some almost stay, like faces passing in the rain. Through the falling light, I still remember almost every